Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a video on Steam. It's really simple and easy. Open the Steam application. After opening it, you will be on this store. You have to open this community. From this community, it will show you this tab here, popular hubs. You can open any one. I'm opening this one here. After opening this, in the harder side, it will show you the sum of options. You will be on all. From here you have to tap on these videos, and from these videos in the top side you can tap on this how do I upload a video. Click on that. It will show you a dashboard like this. It will give you these two options, link YouTube account and manage videos. We have to click on it, link YouTube account, and it will give you this option to give access to your YouTube videos. So in the first process, you have to link your YouTube account to your Stream profile, and then you have to select videos you want to add to your profile and then share with your Stream friends. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.